y equals 2x over 1 plus x squared. What can we say about this? Well, it's a rational function. We've got a higher power polynomial in the denominator. So as x tends to infinity, then what happens here? This will dominate, and this will get very, very large. So it will tend to naught, won't it? So it will tend to naught as it goes to infinity. And from above, and x tends to large negative. This will be negative over a very, very large positive number. So negative over positive is negative. So it will tend to naught from above as it goes to infinity, tend to naught as it goes there from below. Now, this never equals naught, does it? So there's no shooting off to infinities on the asymptote here. Okay. So we better get dy dx here, then how can we get the turning points? So here, y dashed is equal to v du dx, which is 2 minus u times the v dx, and this differentiates to 2x over v squared. V squared, that which equals, now we've got 2 plus 2x squareds, 2 plus 2x squared when we expand this bracket, but we've got a minus 4x squareds. So we can take that into account straight away. 2 minus x squareds over 1 plus x squared squared equals naught when does that equal naught? Well, it equals naught when x squared is 1. So that implies that x is equal to square root both sides. We get plus or minus 1. So when x is 1, now the other interesting thing to see is when we get naught, input naught, we get naught, so we can mark off that. Now to my mind it looks like it's going to come up here and go to a maximum here at 1 is what I would imagine, go to a minimum here and then twist back towards there. So when x is 1, I'm going to put 1 there, and I'm going to put minus 1 here, and when x is 1 we'll get 2 over 2. So there's the coordinate there. When x is minus 1, we'll get minus 2 over 2, which is minus 1. So we have this coordinate here. So is it a max or min? Well, from the point of view of the sketch, it has to be, doesn't it? So we can sketch that. I'm not going to worry about getting the second derivative and confirming it. I think there's enough information now to be able to do a little sketch. So let's have a go at that then. And then we'll confirm it by looking at the plot that's generated. So it comes up, it comes here, goes up to a maximum, turns, goes up to a minimum, turns, and goes back like so. There we are. So this is the curve of y equals 2x over 1 plus x squared. Okay, let's just generate the plot then. 2x over 1 plus x squared. I'll just type it in here in this entry box. A bracket 2x divided by bracket 1 plus x power 2. Let's see what we get. See if we had enough information to sketch the max and mins. Yes, that looks pretty good. The scale is different, of course, but the idea of the sketch, the essence of the sketch is the same.